This is the Heat Exchanger LMTD Calculator, which determines the logarithmic mean temperature difference for thermal design calculations. Let's walk through each input field. First, enter your hot fluid inlet temperature in degrees Celsius. Next, input the hot fluid outlet temperature in degrees Celsius. Then add your cold fluid inlet temperature in degrees Celsius, followed by the cold fluid outlet temperature in degrees Celsius. You'll also need the hot fluid flow rate in kilograms per second. Input the hot fluid, specific heat in kilojoules per kilogram. Kelvin for water, this is typically 4.18. Finally, enter the overall heat transfer coefficient U in watts per square meter Kelvin. Once you click Calculate LMTD, the calculator processes these thermal parameters to determine the logarithmic mean temperature difference, which represents the effective temperature driving force across your heat exchanger. This LMTD value is essential for sizing heat exchangers and calculating the required heat transfer area. The calculator also provides the heat duty, showing the total thermal energy transfer rate between your hot and cold fluids based on the temperature changes and flow conditions you've specified. This tool streamlines heat exchanger design calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.